If you want to unlink your Google Calendar from your Facebook account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the connection is removed. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your web browser or app and log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the Facebook page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Access apps and websites. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Locate Google Calendar. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Google Calendar. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 5. Remove the app. Once you have selected Google Calendar, look for the option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice to complete the process. Now your Google Calendar should be successfully unlinked from your Facebook account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.